Today I explain to you how you can get a perfect permanent makeup. The first thing is you must put the gloves on. After that you can work safety, and when you put your gloves on you can put the hood on the hair. It is safety because when the hair are free at the permanent makeup session, it is not safety for you and your client. Don't forget to put pads on the hood because that is much important for you, because it helps that you don't have marks on the skin, and I like it because you have much better pictures and videos after the permanent makeup. Then you see it, I use Cover because Cover helps me that when I work with permanent makeup colors, and sometimes when I go too deep in the color, they don't splash it everywhere in my working area as safety. And after that we must clean the skin. We clean the skin with disinfection wipes. This is safety for us and we can work safetier. When you use the disinfection wipes, please use of the whole area of the lips. Go inside, go upstairs and downstairs. And now I started with different points. I started with the highest point, and after the highest point I go to the deepest point. And for me it's important that I have the ends for the left and the right side, and after that I can connect it to the full area and the full space, and we have a perfect drawing. Now I'm done, the lips are connected. Now the customer can look it and confirm it to me before I start with the permanent makeup. Now I'm doing the last check before we start. So now I'm fixing my drawing. You can see it. I open the package and now I can put the pads on it, and then after it I put it on the lips, and then the lips are fixed. And this will help you so that your drawing doesn't smudge. Now we put the needle on the machine to start with the permanent makeup. Now set up your machine correctly. The speed is very important for us. I worked with the outline with 7 volt. This is not too fast or too slowly. When you are shading, you can shade it with 6 volt. You needed more pixel, then you must work slowly. I mean, when you needed more pixel effect, then you can work with 5, maximum 6 volt. Now you can see it how I work. I work slowly, not too deep and not too fast. When you work too deep or too fast, the problem is that you destroying the skin, and the skin are red, the swelling, or they have irritation, and this is not good. When you shading, please shade slowly, shade not too fast, not too deep, and you have a beautiful permanent makeup, and the lips are not swelling. Now you can see it. I works with pendulum movement, and I works from the top to the bottom, slowly and easy and not too deep. The lip pigmentation, I do 4 passes. 4 passes for the upper lip and 4 passes for the bottom lip. After my first pass, you see it like the upper lip, I do numbing cream. Numbing cream for 10 minutes maximum, yeah? After applying numbing cream, you can put foil. If you don't have it, no problem, wait 10 minutes, and in this time you can start with the bottom lip and do the first pass there. And after the first pass, you can apply the numbing cream in the bottom lip, and then you can go to the upper lip. Now you can see it. When I'm finished with my first pass in the bottom lip, I put the foil and waiting for 10 minutes that the numbing is working. After that I can start it with the upper lip and finish my 4 passes. And the same I do it at the bottom lip. And after that I put the color off with water wipes, and then I use cleaning soap, and then we are finished. The cleaning soap is so good for the healing, and you don't have problems with germs or bacteria settle, and I like it so much. If you have cleaning soap, please use it. After that you can put a little bit of Vaseline, you see it, and then yeah, we can go to the finished and to the end. And yeah, you can see it when I go to the last part, to the finishing part. I works with concealer, and I like it because when you put concealer near the lip, it looks a little bit cleaner, and you have beautiful pictures and beautiful videos. If you're done with the concealer part and you use too much concealer, no problem, don't worry. You can clean this area with small brushes, and you can use lip brush or maybe lash brush, yeah. And after that you are finished, and then I have some special highlight for you. Before I show you the highlight, don't forget to use Lohse-Puder to frosted the lips, because it looks much better for pictures and video, yeah, and you can fix it. Now I show you the highlight. You can put a little bit gel off the glasses, and then you put the glass on the lips. Now you can see it for videos or for pictures, the pixel exactly. I love this. This is new stuff for Instagram or for TikTok videos. Try it and you'll love it. Now I show you how you can get perfect pictures or videos. Put the light behind your client a little deeper, not too high. After that you can put your phone into the light, and the client, she must look to the camera. And yeah, I like it when I do pictures and videos behind of the client, then the face looks prettier and yeah, very beautiful and good. I don't like pictures in the front of the clients because the face looks too big sometimes, and nobody loves pictures of her face when he looks big, yeah. Now I asked to my client that he put her hands on her fingers on your face, that we can do beautiful videos of her. After that I give the mirror to my client and she looks the finished result, and yeah, she like it and I like it too.